You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete your CashApp account. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order to delete your CashApp account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, open your CashApp and click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, you want to go on where it says support over here. Once you go on support, wait for some time and click on something else. Over here, scroll a bit down at the end until you see account setting and click on it once you see it. Once you click on it, scroll a bit down and click on where it says close your CashApp account. Click on it. And it's going to show you your CashApp account closing statement. Over here, click and confirm and your CashApp account will be closed. Just remember this, once you close your CashApp account, you cannot reopen it again. And in order to close your CashApp account, if there's any amount of money on your CashApp account first, CashApp is going to ask you to withdraw that. After withdrawing that, your CashApp account will be closed and all of your transaction history is going to be deleted. But the transaction history is still going to be saved on CashApp server. It's just that you can't access it, alright? So yeah, click and confirm and your CashApp account will be deleted permanently. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can delete your CashApp account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.